From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
Starting off this morning with quiet conditions across central New York. As we take a live look at our CAV tower cam, looking towards downtown Utica, and unlike Thursday, we are not dealing with dense fog across the region, just quiet conditions. As you head out the door this morning, you're going to need the sunglasses. We will see some sunshine on and off throughout the morning into the afternoon hours, maybe the light jacket, as temperatures are starting off in the 50s and 60s across the region. Officially 60 degrees at Griffith Park, 47, a cool 47 up at Saranac Lake, 60 degrees in Glens Falls, 63 in Albany, 60 as well in Syracuse, and those dew points again in the upper 50s at this point in time. But notice those dew points have increased a bit down across the southern valleys. It will be a touch more humid not only for today, but for tomorrow as well. And then we're back to that refreshing to comfortable air as we head towards Sunday and into next week. So you'll notice a little bit more in the way of humidity for today. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You will see some high clouds down across downstate towards Connecticut, Long Island. We will see a little bit of cloud cover for today with this area of low pressure off the coast. It could give us a stray shower or two, but most of today, as you will see on our Skycast, will remain dry as temperatures warm up into the mid to upper 70s as we head towards this afternoon. Again, any showers will be few and far between as we go throughout today. Quiet weather will continue for tonight, but rain arrives as we head into tomorrow morning. So again, mix of sun and clouds, isolated shower possible, temperatures in the upper 70s tonight. Mild will drop back to near 60 degrees. A few showers as we head towards tomorrow morning. Not a washout by any means for Saturday with highs in the upper 70s. Beautiful day on Sunday with mostly sunny skies and temperatures near 80 degrees. We'll have your Friday football forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. 18 holes of golf.
The time is 5:21. We're saying good morning to North Gage and all of the greater Utica region. We were just talking about mums, Katrina and I, and getting our mums and getting everything ready for the fall season. Yeah, actually, I got mums on Thursday evening and for a fundraiser.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Good.
Two birds, one stone right there, folks. We have some great weather photos to pass along to you for this morning. Our first photo is the sunset from last night. This is from St. Johnsville. Terry posted this photo on Facebook. Then we head to Twitter. Linda Trace also has a photo of the sunset. This is down in Middlefield, and a photo of the moon from Roger Smith. Now, over the next couple of days, just because we're getting towards the end of the season, low pollen counts for ragweed for today, tomorrow, and for Sunday. Now, speaking of Friday, of course, it's Friday night football. Fantastic weather for tonight. We're going to see mild temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s, but I highly recommend bringing the bug spray with you. Those mosquitoes are pretty much out of control at this point in time. We'll actually look at that mosquito forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. First ever.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
Starting off this morning with quiet weather across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. As we are looking towards downtown Utica, we are not dealing with fog this morning, which is some very good news. We can actually see downtown Utica to start. Do expect a mix of sun and clouds as we go throughout today. We'll see more sunshine later on this afternoon. An isolated shower possible for today as well as for Saturday, but Sunday is looking fantastic with warm weather continuing into the weekend. Temperatures for this morning starting off at 55 in Loudville, 61 in Rome, 59 in Utica, 56 in Little Falls as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 60 in Sherburne, 60 as well in Cooperstown, and 58 in Schenevus. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing a little bit of high clouds down to our south. That's associated with an area of low pressure that will be close enough to central New York. We could see an isolated shower as we go throughout today, but most of today will be dry. By the noon hour, temperatures will be in the low 70s across the region. We'll top off in the mid 70s as we head towards this afternoon. Quiet weather for the first half of tonight, an increase in clouds after midnight and starting off tomorrow morning with a few showers across the region. Again, not a washout for Saturday as well. So for today, mix of sun and clouds this morning into the afternoon with an isolated shower possible. Temperatures in the upper 70s. As we head into tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s. A few showers possible as we head towards tomorrow morning. On and off showers throughout the morning into the early afternoon for Saturday, with temperatures in the upper 70s. We'll stay in the upper 70s as we head towards Sunday with gorgeous weather with lots of sunshine, back to near 80 as we head towards Monday. We'll look more in your weekend forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thanks, Jill. Just 5 days into
The time is 5:52. Of course, it's Friday, so we're looking into the weekend. Now, there's a chance for a few showers for Saturday, especially for the North Country. A few sprinkles as well for the Mohawk Valley. Relatively dry, though, for the southern valleys for tomorrow. And then Sunday looks fantastic with lots of sunshine and temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 70s. So again, just a few showers for tomorrow. I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. But if you are heading outdoors, not good news. Katrina and I were just talking about this. I went outside for 5 minutes and got eaten up alive with these mosquitoes. Do expect high mosquito counts not only for today, but for the weekend. So if you're going camping, having a campfire, doing any yard work, make sure to cover up or bring out that bug spray. Katrina?
I couldn't even bear to be outside.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
Starting off this morning with quiet conditions across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Looking towards downtown Utica for this morning. Still dark, folks, unfortunately at 6:14. Once we see that sunrise, it's going to be a quiet start to the day with a mix of sun and clouds. Going to want to bring the sunglasses, maybe the light jacket, as temperatures are starting off in the upper 50s to low 60s, unless you're Saranac Lake. Then you're starting off in the 40s. 48 degrees up at Saranac Lake, 62 in Rome, 62 as well in Syracuse. So we'll notice a little bit more in the way of humidity as we go throughout today. We're getting some extra moisture in the air for this morning as well as for tomorrow as well. So those dew points will be in the mid 60s for today and tomorrow and then drop off as we head towards the second half of the weekend. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, quiet with a little bit of extra cloud cover across the southern valleys for this morning. We can't rule out a passing shower for today, but you'll see in our skycast most of today will be dry as temperatures warm up into the 70s as we head towards this afternoon. Quiet weather will continue for the first half of tonight. After midnight, increase in clouds. By tomorrow morning, we are waking up with some scattered showers across the region. Not a washout, but there will be a few showers around as we go throughout the day on Saturday. So for today, mix of sun and clouds. For today, a sprinkle or two possible. Temperatures in the upper 70s. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s. Again, a chance for some showers for tomorrow morning. Some scattered showers throughout the day with temperatures in the upper 70s. More in the way of some sunshine as we head towards Sunday with highs in the upper 70s. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. 18 holes of golf.
The time is 6:21. We're saying good morning to North Gage and all the greater Utica region. There's some mums right there. Of course, people are getting ready and decked out for fall, even though it has not been feeling like fall across the region. Actually, I just picked up some mums yesterday from local softball fundraiser. So, you know, two birds, one stone right there. We have some great weather photos to pass along to you for this morning. Beautiful sunset from last night as well. This one's from Terry in St. John's. We'll post it on Facebook. Then we head to Twitter. Linda Trace also posted a photo of the sunset from last night in Middlefield. And then, of course, the moon. Not a full moon just yet, though. This is from Roger Smith in New Hartford. Now, pollen count going to stay low over the next couple of days as we are ending, of course, the growing season for ragweed. But again, still some pollen in the air for the next couple of days across the region. Fantastic weather for Friday night football. Light jacket may be needed. Temperatures will be near 70 degrees by kickoff. What you're going to need, though, is the bug spray. We'll look at the mosquito forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. The first ever Frankfurt
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
Starting off this morning with mostly cloudy skies. We'll see some sunshine as we go throughout the day. A live look at our CAV tower cam, seeing that cloud cover over the city of Utica for this morning. We're also seeing mostly cloudy skies down in Cooperstown. But as you head even further south in Otsego County, there still is some fog over the city of Oneonta on our Mirabito tower cam. So once that fog lifts, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds for this morning into the afternoon. Just an isolated shower possible for this afternoon. Most of today will be dry. Warm weather will continue for today and into the weekend. We are starting off mild, 57 in Old Forge, 56 in Glenmore, 54 in Westdale, 58 in Clinton and New Hartford. As we head across the southern valleys, waking up to 60 in Morris as well as Lawrence, 62 in Cooperstown. God bless you, Katrina. 59 in Edmondson and 58 in Milford. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I am tracking an area of low pressure off the coast of Virginia. That's going to bring us some extra cloud cover this morning, as well as a slight chance for a shower as we head towards this afternoon. So on our Skycast, by noon, partly cloudy skies, temperatures near 70 degrees. Isolated shower this afternoon. Temperatures will top off in the mid-70s. For tonight, it's going to be mild, a little muggy as well, with showers developing as we head towards tomorrow morning. So again, for today, clouds this morning, sunshine this afternoon. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s with an isolated shower tonight. We'll only drop back into the mid-60s across the region. Few showers possible for tomorrow. Not a washout by any means. Highs in the upper 70s. We'll stay in the upper 70s as we head towards Sunday, near 80 by Monday. We'll have your mosquito forecast coming up. Katrina?
Just 5 days into
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
The time is 6:50. We are waking up with some cloud cover, a little bit of fog across the southern valleys. As we go throughout today, isolated shower possible. Now for tomorrow, across the North Country, that's the best bet to see some showers throughout the morning and afternoon. A few showers as well for the Mohawk Valley. But then Sunday looks like the day to pick to head outdoors. Fantastic weather, lots of sunshine and some warm weather. But if you do head outdoors, not some good news for the mosquitoes. They are still going to be in full force as we head towards this weekend. So definitely break out the long sleeves as well as the bug spray. Katrina?
Thank you so much.
The time is 7:12. We are waking up with some fog down across the southern valley, specifically down in Oneonta on a Mirabito tower cam. You can see that fog over the city of Oneonta for this morning. On our CAV tower cam, we're seeing mostly cloudy skies over the Mohawk Valley to start, but no reduced visibility for the Mohawk Valley or for the North Country. We are seeing quiet weather as well up towards Old Forge. We are going to stay dry this morning. Isolated shower possible as we head towards this afternoon. I'll track that chance of rain coming up, plus a sneak peek at the weekend in less than 10 minutes. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. The Central.
The time is 7:18. We are waking up with relatively quiet weather for this morning. Now, as for pollen for today and the next couple of days, low levels of pollen with that ragweed, as pollen with that ragweed is slowly coming to an end. Now, if you're heading to football for tonight, fantastic weather. We are talking about lots of sunshine as we go throughout the evening hours before that sunset. Temperatures will be in the 70s. We'll drop back into the 60s throughout the evening. Now, for this weekend, I am tracking a few showers as we head towards Saturday, but Sunday looks fantastic with lots of sunshine across central New York. Temperatures will be warming up into the 70s once again for the weekend. Now, if you are heading outdoors for football for tonight, or if you're heading outdoors all weekend long, gonna need the bug spray. We're talking about high activity for those mosquitoes, not only for today, but for Saturday and for Sunday as well. Look at the rest of your forecast coming up in less than 10 minutes. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Decision 2020.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off this morning with cloudy skies across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Seeing mostly cloudy conditions over the city of Utica. We're also seeing some fog still in Oneonta on our Mirabito tower cam. Some dense fog over the city for this morning. We will see more in the way of some sunshine, a mix of sun and clouds as we go throughout today, with an isolated shower possible for this afternoon, with warm weather continuing as we head into the weekend. Speaking of warm, mild to start this morning. 54 in Westdale, 56 in Glenmore, 58 in Clinton as well as New Hartford, 57 in Old Forge as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 59 in Edmondson, 58 in Milford, 62 in Cooperstown, and 60 in Lawrence and Morris. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing some clouds from the area of low pressure to our south and east with the extra moisture in the air. We can't rule out a passing shower as we head throughout the afternoon hours, but you'll see on our Skycast most of today will be dry with temperatures warming up into the mid-70s. Cloud cover moves in tonight with showers as we head into early tomorrow morning as the cold front makes its way through the area. So again, for today, clouds and fog this morning, sunshine this afternoon, Isolated shower possible with temperatures in the upper 70s. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s with a chance of rain late tonight into tomorrow morning, with temperatures warming up into the upper 70s once again for Saturday and for Sunday as well. Sunday looks like a gorgeous day with partly sunny skies. We'll be back to near 80 degrees as we head towards Monday.
Here's meteorologist Jill Real.
We are starting off this afternoon with a bit of cloud cover, but that's going to give way to some sunshine across the region. We're still seeing dry conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Outside of a sprinkle, we are going to stay dry for today. Again, as we take a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, some cloud cover, especially to the south and to the east, will continue to diminish as we go throughout the afternoon hours. The further west you live, the more in the way of some sunshine for today. Sky watchers across the region, 67 in Old Forge, 72 in Ilion, 73 in Cooperstown, 73 in Clinton, as we are ending, of course, the pollen season. Low levels of pollen for today and into the weekend. Do expect a mix of sun and clouds for the rest of this afternoon with temperatures in the 70s. Look at that weekend forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. State Police.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Real.
Starting off this afternoon with partly to mostly cloudy skies across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam looking towards downtown Utica. Again, we're seeing that cloud cover right now, but clouds will slowly give way to some sunshine as we head it towards this afternoon. We are seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies from Brookfield as well as Herkimer, Coldbrook. A little bit of blue sky though in Morrisville as well as Camden. So as we go throughout the afternoon hours, we'll call it a mix of sun and clouds for today. More clouds right now, more sunshine later on this afternoon. As we go throughout the afternoon hours, isolated shower possible, but again, most of today will be dry. We will be tracking a few showers late tonight and into tomorrow morning, with that warm weather continuing as we head towards the weekend. 73 degrees officially at Griffiths Park, 77 in Watertown, 79 in Syracuse. We'll notice it's a little bit warmer to our west. That warm front pushing on through. We're going to see those temperatures continue to climb into the 70s for this afternoon. You will also notice it's quite humid outside, especially for September standards. Our dew point right now is at 66. Check out Syracuse, a dew point of 69. Once you get dew points in the upper 60s, that's when it becomes pretty uncomfortable outside, and that's where we're going to stay as we go throughout today and for tomorrow across the region before those 2 points drop into the refreshing category. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are quiet across central New York. We're still seeing some cloud cover from that moisture from that low pressure system off the coast of New York City. Again, do expect some extra cloud cover for early this afternoon, but as we head it towards 5 p.m., we'll see more in the way of some sunshine. Again, just an isolated shower possible for today. Now tonight, after midnight, clouds will begin to move on in. You will notice by 4 o'clock, we're going to begin to see some scattered showers across the region. So starting off tomorrow morning with showers across the region, those will begin to dry out. We will see some sunshine. We can't rule out a passing shower tomorrow late afternoon, but most of tomorrow afternoon will also be dry with temperatures warming up into the 70s across the region. So again, for today, temperatures in the upper 70s under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, showers will develop late. We'll only drop back into the 60s, so mild for tonight. Taking a look at your weekend forecast, again, we will see some showers throughout tomorrow morning. Those will taper off tomorrow afternoon. Fantastic weather, though, as we head towards Sunday with temperatures in the 70s. We'll be close to 80 degrees as we head towards Monday and for Tuesday before a strong cold front moves in. And it's really going to start to feel like fall as we head towards Thursday. Katrina?
Thank you. So forecast in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Jill Real.
And we're slowly beginning to see some sunshine across central New York, and temperatures are warming up pretty quickly, even with that cloud cover. We're already in the 70s for the Mohawk Valley. Currently sitting at 71 degrees. In Utica, we're also at 74 degrees in Whitesboro, 73 in Rome, 65 in Big Moose as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 73 in Cooperstown and Sherburne, and 72 in Schenevus. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Clouds will slowly give way to some sunshine, which means fantastic weather for some Friday night football. Very comfortable out there with temperatures in the low 70s for a kickoff and staying in the 60s. But if we are heading out to the football game for this evening, don't forget the bug spray. We're going to be dealing with those mosquitoes all weekend long. Temperatures will top off in the 70s for today. Close to 80, though. I'll tell you when coming up. Katrina?
Thanks.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off this afternoon with the cloudy skies across central New York. We're going to try and squeeze in some sunshine as we go throughout the second half of today. A live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, we're seeing that cloud cover over the region for this morning, not only for the Mohawk Valley, but as we take a look at area Mesonet cameras, the only place that's seeing the sunshine right now, Morrisville, seeing partly sunny skies, with cloud cover extending from Sherburne to Brookfield up towards Colebrook and Herkimer and Westmoreland. We're going to see more sunshine as we go throughout the afternoon. Just going to have to be a little patient for today as those temperatures will be continuing to climb into the 70s as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Isolated shower possible today. A better chance for some showers as we head into late tonight and into tomorrow morning, with warm weather continuing as we head into the weekend. Speaking of warm, 79 degrees in Syracuse. We're at 73 at Griffith Park, 77 in Watertown, Saranac Lake at 69. But as you step outside, especially compared to this morning, those dew points have increased quite a bit. We're seeing a dew point right now of 69 in Syracuse, 66 in Rome. Once you see those darker greens show up, that's when it starts to be uncomfortable outside, and that's going to be our weather for today and for tomorrow as well. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're still dry across the region for this afternoon. What I am keeping an eye on is an area of low pressure to our south and to our east. Will be giving us some extra cloud cover for this afternoon, but as it pushes off the coast, we'll see some clearing skies late today. Then we're tracking a cold front that's going to move through tomorrow morning. And as it does, a few showers will be sticking around for the first half of Saturday. But first, let's focus in on today. By 5 p.m., we're seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Notice less in the way of cloud cover, maybe a sprinkle or two, but most of this afternoon will be staying dry. Now, first half of tonight does look quiet. If you want to have a campfire tonight, just be aware. A lot of mosquito activity as we head into this evening. Temperatures will be dropping back into the 60s overnight. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll be tracking some showers moving through the region. So that's tomorrow morning, waking up with some scattered showers, stopping the clock at 6. See that rain over the Utica area. Those showers will push off to the east. By noon, we're back to some sunshine. Just an isolated shower possible for Saturday afternoon and into the early evening hours, with temperatures warming up into the 70s. So again, for today, we'll eventually get some sunshine across the region. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Tonight, it's going to be muggy. Rain develops late. We'll drop back into the 60s. Your weekend forecast, showers, especially tomorrow morning. Drying out in the afternoon. Beautiful day, though, as we head towards Sunday. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 70s. We're back to near 80 degrees as we head towards Monday. Katrina?
Thank you.
Forecast tonight. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. High school football night, Bill.
That's right, and it is going to be a very pleasant evening. A little warm for football, at least what you wouldn't really expect for the middle of September. Temperatures will be in the low 70s at kickoff. It is warm and it's humid this evening, so dress appropriately. This will likely be the last really warm evening here because as we look ahead, we're expecting big changes in our weather, at least for next week, I should say, at this time. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're also tracking a couple of sprinkles that are approaching from the south. These are moving very slowly, again, impacting Otsego County. But again, a brief shower can't be ruled out this evening. It is warm. It is 78 degrees. It's also very humid. Dew point is 68 degrees. It will stay mild tonight. A few showers are possible overnight as well as Saturday. The warm weather is going to linger around. Partly sunny skies this evening, temperatures in the 70s. We're taking a look at that weekend forecast, and that's coming up. Back over to you.
Bill.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking a very warm and very humid evening across central New York. It's not quite as high as it would be, say, in the middle of August, but it is a lot warmer out there than it typically is for this point in September. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. We're getting some sunshine occasionally. And the weather is looking pretty decent this evening. There are a couple of showers to point out that have been slowly lifting to the north. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's at Siegel County. You can see a couple of very light showers very slowly pushing to the north. So though I can't rule out a sprinkle here this evening, I think that is going to be by and large the exception rather than the rule. There'll be a better chance of some showers heading into tonight as well as tomorrow. If you're looking to get out and go to or host a garage sale, the weather should generally behave this weekend. It's looking pretty decent for outdoor activities, although tomorrow we have the risk of a passing shower. It is not going to be a washout. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s. Sunday looks really nice, mostly sunny, and temperatures in the mid 70s with a noticeable drop in the humidity. And speaking of the humidity, check out the dew points in the upper 60s. On our comfort index, this is at the very high end of the chart. It will stay very humid here tonight as well as into early Saturday. But a cold front approaches Saturday afternoon. That drops the humidity in a very large way for Sunday, and the humidity will not be as high heading into early next week. Temperatures this evening, very pleasant. Whitesboro checking in with 76 degrees, Lowville 77. Across Southern Valleys, we've got Cooperstown with 77, Sherburne 78, and Skenevis with 76. And it is looking to be a nice evening to take the dog out for a walk. Temperatures will remain in the low 70s. A little humid out there, but again, later this evening, becoming more comfortable. Tonight's featured dog is Gracie, and if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Tracking a cold front approaching from the west, this will push away cloud cover that we're seeing across the area today. We'll hold on to those clouds tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 60s. Some scattered showers will be around overnight. Saturday, again, the risk of a shower in the afternoon. Otherwise, a pretty decent day, warm and still humid. Temperatures in the upper 70s. And it cools off heading into Saturday night. Overnight lows down into the low 50s. Sunday looks superb. Sunshine and comfortable. Temperatures in the mid 70s. Showers late tonight, low of 64. Tomorrow, looking at a brief shower. Otherwise, a pretty nice afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine on Sunday, 74. On Monday, we're up to the upper 70s. Tuesday, 74. So the numbers have come down a little bit compared to what we were thinking earlier in the week. Shower storms on Wednesday, much cooler by Thursday and Friday. We're taking a look at the fall foliage forecast, giving you an idea of what's the best place to go if you want to get an early start to the season.
It'll be a nice weekend to do so.
Sure.
All right, Bill, thank you. A crowd of...
To the Weather Center for another look at the forecast, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're looking at fall color, the forecast for the upcoming weekend. There's leaf change that has been most noticeable in the higher elevations, specifically the Adirondacks, where about 25 to 35% of leaves have changed over. So it's going to be a great weekend to get an early start at checking out the fall color. And really, you can see color even in the lower elevations, too. There's just a lot less trees that have made the change. And in about 2 weeks, we think the North Country will be approaching near peak color. It's going to happen very quickly. I know it doesn't seem like it with the summer weather that we've been enjoying lately, but things are going to be changing pretty quickly. Probably not the best night for a campfire, kind of warm out there and still mosquito infested, but if you're willing to brave it out, temperatures will be in the upper 60s to low 70s. This evening, we're looking at partly sunny skies. We are tracking a very warm weekend, but the weather will start to change as we look ahead. Look at that forecast. It's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The Tokalama
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and happy Friday. We are getting you ready for the weekend. Heading out this evening, it's looking generally dry, very warm and very humid. This is a live look at our Miraboto Tower Cam in Oneonta. A very nice contrast here between the sunshine and the cloud cover. We also can see a shower well in the distance here. This is looking to the east. And so what we're looking at here is a couple of showers that are in the southeastern part of Otsego County. That's where they're going to stay. This is lifting very slowly to the north. And aside from a sprinkle or two, I think the majority of our area will be dry heading into this evening. Now, it may be dry, but I don't know if we're going to get enough clear skies to watch this event, but we'll pass it along anyway. This is tonight's flyby of the International Space Station. It's scheduled at 8:14. will be visible for 6 minutes, appearing in the southwest and disappearing in the east-northeast. Pretty nice, pretty high flyby, almost directly overhead. But again, I do stress that sky conditions not looking ideal. We're looking at partly cloudy skies, so you might be able to catch part of this here, again, heading into this evening. Great weather to grill. We're looking at warm conditions and dry weather in general as we head into the weekend. We could see a shower on Saturday, but again, grill on. Might as well take advantage of it before it starts to cool down, which it will eventually. Donna in Norway, 72. John and Skylar with 72 as well. Mike in New Hartford, 75. Across the Southern Valleys, Mark in Milford, 71. Helen in Cassville, 75. Lyman in Eaton checks in with 74. Today's cloud cover comes from low pressure off the Atlantic coast. A cold front to the west will help clear this out. It will also bring us a few scattered showers. In the wake of that front, the weather looks to be quite nice as we head into Sunday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, mostly cloudy skies tonight. Some scattered showers will be possible late tonight as well as early Saturday. Passing showers Saturday afternoon. Temperatures look warm with temperatures approaching 80 degrees. The weather turns noticeably cooler Saturday night as the cold front moves through the area. We're looking at overnight lows in the low 50s to upper 40s. And the weather on Sunday looks amazing. Sunshine and cooler and more comfortable with highs in the mid 70s. A few showers late tonight, low of 64. Tomorrow, a brief shower, temperatures in the upper 70s and still pretty humid. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Less humid weather as we look ahead. Sunday, temperatures in the mid 70s. Monday and Tuesday looking dry. And you can notice the numbers have come down compared to earlier this week. We're looking at highs now in the upper 70s. First day of fall, showers and storms, much cooler weather looking ahead to Thursday and Friday. We're getting you ready for the weather for the kickoff of high school football games this evening. The forecast is at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
First look at the forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Weather is looking warm for high school football. It should be a nice evening, but it's going to feel humid and not really football weather, at least not this time around. Temperatures will be in the low 70s this evening around kickoff, and the temperatures don't cool off too much here over the next several hours. We'll be in the upper 60s for most of the games that are taking place across our area this evening. We do have a couple of very light showers that we're tracking on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar near Cherry Valley along the Schoharie-Otsego County line. By the way, these showers, or at least look like showers, that's actually the wind turbines that are being picked up, the Hardscrabble project. So that's just a little bit of noise on the radar. Current temperature is 77 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. It is going to be warm and humid this evening, as well as tonight. It will be very mild. Overnight lows only in the low 60s. We are tracking a few showers overnight as well as Saturday. Neither time period looks to be a washout. The weather looks warm as we head into early next week. Partly sunny skies this evening, temperatures in the 70s. We're getting you ready for the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. COVID.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. Very warm and humid conditions will continue as we head into this evening and tonight. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAVV Tower Cam. We're seeing more clouds than sunshine, but a pretty nice scene here as we look to the south. We are tracking a couple of very light rain showers, and these are few and far between on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And I do want to stress that we are in an environment where we could see a very brief shower this evening. Be looking towards the south for the direction that these are approaching. Again, other than just at one or two spots, I think most of us will escape with dry weather. Some scattered showers will be around on Saturday. Not going to be a washout. Temperatures will be warm and humid. A high of 78 on Saturday. Sunday looks great. Sunshine, great weather for outdoor activities. Maybe it's a garage sale. Maybe you're doing some fall foliage and looking for some of those nice colors on the trees. The best place to go would be north and south of the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing some color. About 15 to 30% changed over in some of the mountainous areas of the Adirondacks, and this is going to happen very quickly across the area. In about 2 weeks, parts of our area will be near peak color. I know it's hard to believe, but fall is going to be coming sooner than later. As we look at our comfort index, it's still very summer-like out there. High humidity. The humidity will be dropping as we head into the next several days. We'll see numbers go down quite a bit heading into Sunday and beyond. Temperatures this evening: Barneveld 74, West Leyden 73, Old Fort 70, Inlet 68, Mohawk 74, Markham Milford 71, and Morris checks in with 72. Tracking some unsettled weather from the south. This is some cloud cover from low pressure off the Atlantic. This is actually a newly formed tropical system, but again, heading out to sea, not a problem for us. To the west we go. A cold front will be approaching. That will affect our weather late Saturday, giving us a few scattered showers. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies. A passing shower is possible late. Overnight lows will drop down into the 60s. Most of Saturday looks pretty decent weather-wise, a mix of sunshine and clouds. We could see a shower in the afternoon. Again, not going to last for long. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. Noticeably cooler Saturday night as drier air builds in. We're looking at overnight lows in the low 50s. And Sunday looks really nice. Comfortable, sunny, and low humidity. Temperatures will be in the mid 70s. Showers late tonight, low of 64, pretty warm night. Brief shower tomorrow, high of 78, still pretty humid. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Drop in the humidity for Sunday, 74, mostly sunny skies. Beautiful weather early next week, temperatures in the 70s. The numbers have come down compared to earlier in the weeks, but still pretty warm here. Showers and storms for Wednesday, the first day of fall, and we will cool off into the 60s on Thursday and Friday. We'll be right back.
Look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, Zaira, we're looking at pretty quiet weather across central New York tonight. We are going to be tracking the risk of a few showers here as we head later into tonight as well as early tomorrow morning. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the region. It is warm outside for the middle of September at 10 o'clock at night. We're still 68 degrees. The dew point's pretty high, clear skies. High today 79, low this morning 59. That's more typical of August weather. Our average high for today's date 70, our average low 51. So we're running about 8 to 9 degrees above average. The record high 97, the record low 33. So big differences between the ranges in temperature are possible this time of the year. Look at our weather headlines. We're mild tonight. We've got a few showers to track as we head into tonight as well as Saturday, but the weather over the weekend really not looking too bad, and it is going to stay warm here over the next several days. A couple of showers late, low of only 64. Again, tracking some of that warm weather as we head throughout the weekend. Look at that weekend forecast is coming up. Sayara, back to you.
Thank you, Bill.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside from our CAV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Clear skies for the most part tonight, and it's been a very mild night so far. We've also been keeping an eye on the Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A couple of sprinkles here and there were showing up earlier this evening. As far as the weather goes tonight, I can't rule out a passing shower, but I think the best chance of that happening would be later tonight and into early tomorrow. The weekend forecast, not really looking too bad. Passing showers possible Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday. That looks to be the pick of the weekend. Both days look pretty decent if you have outdoor plans, maybe a garage sale, or maybe you're taking the boat out, maybe going for a hike. The weather should be pretty nice. It's looking generally favorable for outdoor activities here, especially Sunday. That looks to be the best of the 2 days. If another thing you might be thinking about doing is taking an early look at the fall color. We expect the leaves to be changing about 15 to 30% in higher elevations, especially in the Adirondacks. And we're not that far away from near peak color. It's going to happen pretty quickly. I think over the next 2 weeks, we'll start to see some of those really brilliant colors emerge. And that transition will take place across the entire area as we head into the month of October. Going to bed tonight, it is comfortable. A little warm, so you might need the air conditioner early, but later tonight, much more comfortable conditions. Temperatures will drop down into the mid-60s. Very humid outside. Dew points are in the mid-60s. We'll see the humidity drop sharply as we head into Sunday as a cold front arrives. so we do get a break from that. So look at the bigger picture, tracking a couple of things. We have Tropical Storm Odette, which is heading out to sea. That was partially responsible for bringing us some cloud cover today, but a cold front to the west will bring an end to the cloud cover for Sunday, but it also brings us a few showers as we head into Saturday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Passing showers possible. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-60s. Tomorrow, clouds give way to sunshine. Can't rule out a passing shower later in the day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow night, mostly clear skies. Overnight lows drop down into the low 50s, so it will be a cool night. And then Sunday should be a very nice day. We're looking at lots of sunshine and lower humidity, temperatures in the mid-70s. A few showers late tonight, low of 64. Tomorrow, we're looking at a brief shower, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny on Sunday, temperatures in the low 70s. Monday looking dry as well. We are tracking some showers and storms for Wednesday, followed by a big drop in the temperature for Thursday and Friday.
Forecast tonight, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis getting us set for the weekend.
Yeah, the weather looks pretty nice for outdoor events. We are looking at the Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry this evening, and we are going to be keeping an eye on this over the weekend. Just a couple of showers are possible as we head into Saturday, but we're really not expecting any washouts here. Again, things are looking pretty quiet at the moment. Current temperature is 66 degrees. It felt like a midsummer night, and it still feels like a midsummer night with high humidity, clear skies. It's not as cool as it usually is this time of the year at this time. Our almanac, our high today 79, low this morning 59 degrees. Again, that's more typical of mid-August than mid-September. The average high is 70 and the average low is 51. You can see our records go from 97 back in 1939 to 33 back in 1959. So you can get these large swings in temperature still in this time of the year. Mild again tonight. A few showers are possible late tonight as well as Saturday. The warm weather is going to linger around. Low tonight of 64 degrees, some showers late. Looking ahead, some signs of some real fall-like weather at the end of the 7-day forecast. We'll take a look at that coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Continuing coverage tonight.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our CAV Tower Cam is overlooking the city of Utica. A pretty warm night across the region. We're looking at dry weather on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Heading into the weekend, if you have outdoor events, maybe a garage sale, the weather should cooperate for the most part. Just a passing shower here Saturday, especially in the afternoon. Sunday is looking completely dry and less humid with temperatures in the mid-70s. Maybe it's taking a look at the fall color. We have some color in our area, especially north and south of the Mohawk Valley, where leaves are about 15 to 30% changed over. We're going to see that changeover continue over the next several weeks with peak color in most areas anywhere between the last week of September through the middle of October. Going to bed tonight, it is going to be a warm night. You might want to consider running the fan, maybe the air conditioner. Overnight lows will be in the mid-60s. So again, another very summer-like night where high humidity will continue. In fact, we look at the humidity. It stays humid tomorrow. The humidity drops Sunday, and it's not going to be as big of a deal heading into early next week. Much more comfortable conditions. Got a couple of things to watch here. One of them, Tropical Storm Odette is heading out to sea. That brought us a few extra clouds earlier today. What we're tracking to the west will drive our weather over the weekend. This is a cold front, and that could spark off a shower as we head into Saturday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, maybe a sprinkle overnight. Temperatures start out in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, the weather looks generally nice. I can't rule out a shower later in the day. We'll see decent amounts of sunshine mixed in with some clouds. Noticeably cooler tomorrow night as we drop down into the low 50s. And the weather is looking superb on Sunday. Sunshine, temperatures in the mid-70s. Showers late tonight, low of 64. A couple of showers around tomorrow, but again, I think most of the day will be pretty decent and dry. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny Sunday, 74. Warm and sunny Monday and Tuesday with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. The first day of fall is Wednesday. Showers and storms. Cooler weather to follow. Highs in the 60s on Thursday and Friday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. New tonight.